Welcome to VPlant Advanced Hair Implant Clinic. With the luxurious ambience and unique destination for your hair transplant procedure. Let's have a walk through the whole process. When you will enter the clinic, our representative will greet you and will provide you admission form with a welcome drink. Then our representative will escort you to our relaxation room where you can relax. Our expert surgeon will brief you about the process, which will help you to understand better about your hair transplant procedure. After the briefing, you will be prepared for pre-surgical processes like measuring blood pressure and taste dose. Your head will be shaved to have a clear view of the donor area and implantation area in some cases. Our operation theatre is equipped with modern and high-tech instruments. Now you are ready to go for your transformation journey through our latest advanced MHI technique. It will start with the cleaning of your donor area with antiseptic solution and marking of your donor site. The marked area will be anesthetized by Vibraject technique to minimize pain. Extraction of graft will be done with our advanced extraction tools with fine punches and expert hands to minimize damage. Counting and segregation of live grafts done with our expert team for proper planning of implantation in the latter half. We keep grafts in growth factor rich saline solution for better survival. Meanwhile, blood will be taken for PRP separation. After finishing the extraction part, you can have your tasty lunch. After the interval, your exciting journey of implantation will begin. Firstly, marking of your hairline and desired area will be done. After taking your final approval, anesthesia will be given very slowly to minimize pain. Desired recipient area will be fertilized by stem cell growth factor by Mesogen. PRP solution will be sprinkled over grafts to increase the survival rate. Implantation is done with our unique transplanter technique for proper assessment of depth, direction, and angle with no bleeding to get a natural look. Our aim to give maximum graft for the dense result. Finally, your exciting journey will come to an end with your positive feedback and smile.
Hi friends, my name is Krishna. I'm here in the VPlant Advanced Hair Clinic. So from last 5 years ago, I was facing problem hair fall. I had lost my confidence. It was affecting my looks and appearance. I was feeling rejected. I tried Ayurvedic medicines, so many oils, but due to some reason like a hair fall, hair damage, and stop them. So there was no result. So I'm very sad and so depressed. So one day my friend suggesting me to go and visit VPlant's Advanced Hair Clinic. I was doubting, but I'm decided. Finally, I came to the VPlant Advanced Hair Clinic and made a doctor. I was really impressed as a doctor boosted my confidence. Clinic ambience is really very soothing. I was very impressed by VPlant's staff treatment. They were so helpful. So they use the latest machine and equipments for the surgery. They are very trained in their techniques. After the surgery, there was a beat pain. They are provided with the medicine. I really feel good now. The thoughts of getting a new look. It's a very beautiful. So thank you so much VPlant doctors and team for bringing my lost and confidence back.
VPlant Advanced Hair Clinic. Contact us for more information.